Hello, Can Do Guy here. We're going to attempt today to try to install some of the wiring in the UTV, the RZR, for a light bar. I want to show you how this wiring is set up. This was a Roadshock LED light bar kit, wiring kit. Came from Harbor Freight. First of all, we have here the battery side, the ground and the positive runs up and into the relay. You also have two other wires coming out of the relay, which separates up, and this one goes to the dash where your switch is, and the other one comes from a relay, goes up and out to your light bar, bars or light, whichever way you decide to do it. It also has an extra here for the extension for the two lights, but I'm only going to use one light bar. The first thing I have to, there's my dog. He's got to be right in it. First thing we've got to do is we're going to take this seat out, the driver's seat, and back here is a lever you pull up and pull it out. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we now have the seat out, and we have the battery box exposed, and our next project will be taking this cap off. They say you take a screwdriver, pry under here, it pops off. We'll get right to that. Okay, we took the cap off, sitting here on the floorboard. They say it's a T25. Let's look down in here. There's the and that seems to fit it. T25. I'm going to use a ratchet to take it out. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, the screw's out, the Torx 25. We are going to wiggle this to make it come off and loose, and it pulls right on off. Okay, we'll be back. There's Nosy. You got to figure everything out with me. We went ahead and took out the other seat over here just so we'd have more room to take these bolts out and go down the line all the way up to the front on both sides. Okay, we'll be right back. I have lined up some magnetic holders for it. I got 5 of them to put the screws in. I test fitted these. The back are a T25. The center is a T30. And I'm not sure what those are yet. I'll get back with you on that. Okay, the top 2 bolts up here, as you can see, they are a T25 also. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we have the bolts in the magnetic holders. These are from the back up to the front of the UTV. So I've only used 3. This side is on the left, that's on the right. There is 5 bolts to take out on the driver's side, and there is 6 to take out on the rider's side. I'm about ready to take out the center console. Okay, the center console came out real easy. It's laying right here on the floor. There's my buddy in crime. Let's take a look at what it looks like in here. We've got this all cleared out now so we can run the wire. We will probably run it up underneath the floorboard on this side and up through out of that and then up into the front side for the dash. We'll get it figured out and we'll be back. Okay, I retrieved the vacuum cleaner to do a little cleaning up of the dirt and stuff that's in here. I think I'm still going to go ahead and get a wet rag and clean it all up before I install the wiring. Be right back. Okay, we cleaned up the center console a little bit. Got it kind of cleaned up. We'll go over here and look at the UTV. Cleaned all this up a little bit just to make it a little better so it's not so dirty. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we have the relay mounted right here. And we're going to run the wires. As I said, these wires here will go to the battery. And the other wire I have laid out, it's down here, goes to the switch, which will go along this trail. And I have some other wires under here that I can tie to, as you can see here. I'll zip tie them to them and then run it on up and come up to the top through the dash. Okay, we're back. This wire that I have here that is going up and over is going to go to the light bar. This other wire that I have my hand on is the negative and positive wire, and the other wire which I'm running now is this wire going back under and down and zip tied to that, through, zip tying to that, and I'll zip tie one more time up there. Stay tuned. Okay, it's a quick summary here of what I've got done so far. By the way, this is a 2009 RZR RZR. I believe these RZRs are the same from 2008 to 2014, so you shouldn't have any difference in the way this wires up. I have the wire hanging on the floor here going up. That's the one that's going up to the light bar, up and over to the front. Then here, of course, I have the negative and positive again. And the other wire, there's my regulator mounted. The other wire is going down, under through there, back under there, up under there, up on the outside of the firewall, and it comes up and in. I don't know if you can see it there, over there, and it comes out, and I've got it hanging right here. But I'm changing this plug, this switch, to a better switch. We'll go around to the front and I'll show you where it comes out. It comes up the side of this, up on the other side of the brake tank, and you can see it there, where it goes up and in through the front to the dash. I know it's not seeing very good, but that's the best I can do for now. Stay tuned. I'll get back and finish it up.